Datastripes is a unique in-browser tool for dashboarding, analysis, and reporting of online operational data. It provides over 300 nodes for the visualization, transformation, and narration of the data. Because the information must be consumed, not only extracted. There are a lot of different nodes and sources. Select one. Gently drop it in the canvas. As you drop a node, Datastripes will automatically try to propose flows and analysis based on your data set. Datastripes Assistant will support you during the execution of flows with advice and analysis. In a matter of seconds, each node will be enriched with a specific and technical analysis of the provided data. Take a look here. Now it's time to analyze this data set. Just drag and drop a node to add it to the flow. Once connected, the inference system will elaborate the request, producing a customizable data visualization. Let's go with something more. Configure data charts and transformation to refine the output. Each column selector is already filtered with the available columns up to this node. Let's go with another one. Just change some switch. Another one. After that, click here. You can add nodes by right-clicking on a source and selecting the next wonderful transformation. Click on Chartize this data. Then, for example, click on Pie Chart to visualize. Click on Parliament to change the representation. Analyzing data is not just about visualizing it, so let's try a transformation. Filtering is one of the most common transformation, and you can choose between complex predicates or discrete scale filter. Finally, some cool and heavy analysis, a ML forecasting. The forecast node, as well as regression, clustering, classification, other heavy ML transformations, is based on a pre-trained model running locally on your browser. Next up, click on Compute. You can inspect the data behind a node by clicking on this button. Let's see. Move on. Once again, you can now visualize the result in a beautiful chart. Our gallery is unique and full of base to complex charts, so let's pick Contour Plot. To end, click on the element to wrap up.